we never cross the same river twice. Tama naman. Kasi, kagaya ng river na yan, lagi yung nagbabago, binabago ng agos ng tubig. Ibig sabihin ng mga Griego doon, minsan ka lang daw dadaan sa isang sitwasyon sa iyong buhay. Yung pagbalik mo, iba na. Paghahalin tulad ng ating experience ngayon, although minsan lang natin i-cross ito sa ating pagkuha ng mga video at pagba-vlog nito, hindi bragging vlogging. Time for humility now. So, when you do this, and you get to watch it again, it were as if you were in that moment of excitement, that spirit of adventure that keeps you going. And in those days, where you just spend it on a couch, and just sit down, do the banalities of everyday living, from the comforts of your home, in a busy city, and you watch this, it doesn't only give you hope, it gives you another reason to push through, to move forward, to take another step onto adventure. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, hindi pa rin natapos ang video natin. Again, you can see from where we came from, Ilocos Sur. Salamat, Ilocos Sur. Cheers. Welcome us, La Union. Maraming salamat. Muli po, ito ang Inasan Expressway. Traversing the provinces of Ilocos Sur and La Union. Dito sa Inasan Expressway, dahil ito po ay gawang pampubliko, wala pong bayad. Parang kaligtasan. Tayo'y patay sa kasalanan, di ba? Lunod tayo sa tubig na yan dahil sa ating mga kabalbalan. Pero dahil may nagmamahal na Diyos, isinugo niya ang kanyang bugtong na anak para mamagitan, maging daan, and tulay para sa ating kaligtasan. No other way. Sabi nga, di ba, sa John, Christ is the way, the truth, and the life.